So I don't know if you guys can see back in the woods. There's a deer back in there. Making some other funky noise. It's probably going to run as soon as it sees me. But there's other weird noises going on. I don't think deer make this noise that I heard, but... Let's see. Probably not going to be able to see it very well. It's a young one. There it went up into the woods. Jackie, come. So I don't know if you guys can see it through the trees. It's pretty well hidden. Jack! Holy cow! Jack, come! Come! Jack, come! Come! Okay, my dog got himself caught. Jackie, come! Come here! Come here before the horses get you! Come, Jack, come! Jack, come! Jack, come! 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 Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Good boy! Okay, now probably the deer's gone. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere now. Huh. Oh, there he is. Straight up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Straight, it's really not moving much at all. It's really, really young. But I heard this weird noise over here, so I don't know what it is, but and then my dog ran in with the horses, and usually they go after him, so I don't know what the deal was with that. Anyway, there's the girls having some hay I just put down. Well, the boy's crazy right now, running around. Jack, boy, what you doing? So let's go walk over here and see. See if I can see anything. Don't go over there, Jack. Jackie. Huh. I don't know. It's a really strange noise. Anyway. Well, not much of an update. But it's a beautiful day today. And maybe I'll start mowing. I guess it's not raining, so I can at least mow some now. That's what I'll do. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a good night. It's kind of a pretty boring farm update. I actually didn't intend to do one, so when I heard that noise and then saw the deer in the woods, that's what you guys get. So, everybody, that's all for now.